Hello, good morning everyone. Today is January 5, 2022 and ngayon na nga ang start ng online. I think kumakanta sila ng O Canada. So, yeah, see how it goes. Prince, dito siya. Sorry guys, medyo quiet lang muna kasi si Pierre is natutulog pa. Mas mabuti na yun. Maaga pa kasi, 8 pa lang. So, ayan, and ako may work din ako. So, ito yung desk ko. And then, dito naman si Prince. And, ito, nasasara namin siya. So, para mamaya, pagka medyo busy na, isasara ko na para si Pierre is hindi na makapasok. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po ang eyebags ko. Hey, pala, January 5, ayon sa aking pagsasaliksik, ang January 5 ay National Whipped Cream Day at National Birthday. So, mamaya, gonna try to do something with the whipped cream and a bird. And hindi ko alam kung ano magiging connection nun, pero itatry natin yan. This is a glimpse of how our day went for today. It's pretty straightforward, just checking emails for work while Prince is on his class and me trying to listen to my teacher in class at the same time. Prepping meals for lunch and more emails and more listening to my teacher. Because I'm actually taking 2 classes and I'm also working full-time. For everyone's knowledge, National Whipped Cream Day is actually a nod to pay homage to the birthday of Ready Whip founder Aaron Lapin, who was born in 1914. It was in 1948 that he invented Ready Whip, which is now one brand name of the aerosol canned version of sweetened whipped cream, and also non-dairy whipped toppings. On the other hand, National Bird Day has been dedicated at least in part to raising awareness about birds that are held in captivity. And again, no matter how your day is going, always remember that it's a great day and there will always be great things in your day to celebrate about.
Hey guys, it's my break. My mom was gone. Here is my school.
Hello! Okay, so we just finished our school and our work.
My school?
Yeah, I have school too. And since it's late, we have decided that we are just gonna
make my own hot cocoa that I made my own.
Yeah, Prince is gonna make his own hot chocolate, and
also I made hot chocolate yesterday.
In honor of the whipped cream
wait, no, I'm gonna do it.
We're gonna use whipped cream. Okay.
Okay.
And I know, di pa ako nagpapalit, di pa ako naliligo. That's normal.
If you don't have hot chocolate, I got it. I can make hot chocolate for you. These are the things that you have to make hot chocolate with me. First, you need a mug, or you can use any type of mug. Then you need 2 types of milk. Almond milk. If you don't have almond milk, you can use original milk if you have.
2%.
Yep. And then you need Nutella. And don't forget a spoon. A spoon.
Okay.
And whipped cream.
Okay.
Also, there is one more mug that you can use. So, yeah. You grab a mug. I'm going to pick my favorite. Best farter ever. Oops, I meant father. Then, first thing, you put your almond milk inside the cup. Just a little bit. So this is going to make it a little bit creamier. Then you put the original milk in. So you don't see any of a little brown part. I'm actually running out of milk. Just a little bit more. There we go. And then you grab your spoon, get some Nutella. You can use any type of chocolate. Only like melted chocolate or something. Then you dip it in. You stir it just a little bit. Until it gets a nice brown color. After that, you have to warm it up in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then we add one more, and then you're almost done, and then you have to warm it up again. So right now, my mom is making her because I already make mine. I'm still mixing mine, but it's okay if it turns like that. So yeah. Also, like I said, if you don't have any almond milk, you can also use the original one. It's fine. If you don't have whipped cream too, it's fine with me. So yeah. Right now we're microwaving it. Okay, we're just back because we got our hot chocolates. This will turn like this.
So we already have a hot choco.
Now it's time for the whipped cream.
By friend.
Actually, my auntie was very proud of me, so yeah. Even my mom just a little.
This is a hot chocolate version of Friends.
If you don't have hot chocolate, I got it.
And now for our finale. Ting tong, ting tong.
Whipped cream. Now,
show them the whipped cream.
Whipped cream. So I'm gonna pour mine in. I know.
So good. So there you go, guys.
That's how you make hot chocolate from me.
Yeah, and happy International Whipped Cream Day.
Because we have whipped cream on our
And
chocolate.
National Birthday. I don't know what we're gonna do with the birds. There's actually no birds in here right now.
So yeah.
They're migrating because it's cold.
Yeah, they're died.
No, they're not dying.
No, remember in Hyde Park they died? Some of them? Remember?
This is really good. Oh, cheers.
I like how my hot chocolate
Cheers. Yep. This is actually good.
Thank you.
Good hot chocolate. So there you go, guys. We are out for today. Thanks for watching. Till tomorrow.
And make sure to like, subscribe, leave the comments below, and share.
See ya.
Bye.